Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So really quick video. I just wanted to put out that Robinhood just listed ADA. So super happy about this. Especially, I mean, I'm not really using Robinhood anymore, but I know most of my followers do use Robinhood. And I actually switched all of my I sold my portfolio at 4:30, and I'm starting to slowly switch everything to Webull. Um, Honestly, it's like the best thing. Honestly, it's honestly pretty insane because I like Webull so much better. Um, and anyways, but yeah, Robinhood, newly listed crypto on Robinhood, ADA. It usually tends to have it's called the Robinhood effect, where crypto tends to rally a full 100% after it gets listed on Robinhood. I really doubt that happens with Cardano. It doesn't seem very likely. It might pump 10-20% or so, but as far as a full 100% rally, especially in this environment, I really doubt it. So, where are we at? So ADA, I mean, if we look at Cardano, it is at, yeah, see, there you go. That's probably the push from, I mean, really, it didn't do much. All it really did was just run from 44 cents to 45. So, as of right now, I mean, I really don't think that Cardano will go to like 90 cents. I really doubt it. At most, you can probably go back to like 46 cents, I think. So maybe like a 10-20% at most run from here. Other than that, I really doubt that it moves all that much. But yeah, Robinhood has officially added Cardano. Super good for all of you guys that want to hold for the long term. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.